Still messing with sketchy soldering gear? This new kit just might be the clean upgrade you've been looking for. I'm unboxing it, showing you everything that comes in the box. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. So right at the box, we have tweezers. Put that to the side. Of course, some paperwork, soldering station, operation instruction, the manual. Of course, let's start getting into the good stuff, what it seems like. In here, there is the soldering iron itself. If I can just get the cable out there right now. It's all packaged. Oh, okay, I see. I guess all of this just comes hooked in together. Here's your, what is this exactly? I don't know. It doesn't specify how long this is. But here's your material, of course. And I guess just by judging this, the soldering iron is connected to the kit as well. Okay. So, out the box, everything seems to be neatly packaged. Comes with some tools to build it, whatnot. Here's the actual part itself. Has some few items left over in the box. What seems to be a desoldering pump. Comes with one of these. Put this on the side. Here are a bunch of soldering tips. Over here. And of course, you get a little sponge. We drop right in here. If it wants to. Alright, there we go. And yeah, this all it comes with. The box is pretty empty. Pretty small kit. But if I'm being honest, this is literally everything you need. So let's get into building. I don't really think we need the instructions. It seems pretty straightforward. But for the sake of this video, I'll fast forward this part or just skip it entirely and then give you guys the final product and how it looks all set up. Here's on the instruction manual, part reference, show you exactly how the kit is supposed to look like, just in case there's any confusions when you're building it. Soldering iron itself, it is attached to the kit itself. It doesn't seem like it can unplug, so just keep that in mind. Can't really swing it around everywhere, just be careful. Little rolly piece. The screws themselves. This would just be placed up here, and it goes on the side of the soldering kit itself with one screw holding here, and it's located right here. Spins freely. No issues at all. Alright guys, to turn it on, you want to flip this switch in the back. And you'll start getting your temperature. If you think your soldering iron itself is too hot or too cold, that can always be adjusted by turning this dial along here. Temperature adjust. Too hot, turn it down. 500. It gets set, and then the temperature starts to drop. That easy, guys. And that is it for this unboxing of the soldering iron kit. If you guys are looking for a budget-friendly, reliable option to upgrade your setup, this might be the one to check out. Link to it will be down in the description below. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a thumbs up and comment your thoughts, or subscribe for more gear reviews and tech tools. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.